Hello, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you some settings that I use for my night lapse photos. Let's turn it on here first. So for night lapse, you can't really do a video, you have to do individual photos, but it's pretty easy. You go to time lapse first. Oops. Time lapse, and this is the settings here. You can focus in on that. There we go. The shutter I always have at 30 seconds, so the shutter stays open the longest at 30 seconds. So you can see here, there's auto 30 seconds, 20 seconds, and then down to all the way down to 5. I pick 30. Interval auto. POV wide. I might try linear sometime, but wide works good for the sky. Raw on, Pro Tune on. When you turn your Pro Tune on, it will give you these other options. If it's off, you won't see these other options. White balance I have at 55K, 5500. Oops. Back there. The ISO, I don't think it really matters. I just keep it at 200 because the ISO max I think is what matters more. I haven't tried it at 1600. I've only done 800 and that seems to work fine. 1600 they say will make too much noise. You'll have too much noise in there, too much other stuff going on. Sharpness low, color flat, and those are my settings. Then what you will do is you will go to your computer, plug your GoPro in, download all the photos into one file, and then from the file, hopefully you all have already downloaded GoPro Studio. It is free, so you go to that, and it's pretty simple. It will stitch together all the photos for you. And once you open your GoPro Studio, you will go to import new files. All your photos will come up from your GoPro. You will select all the photos, hit open. They will all come into your file over here, and all you do is hit add clips to conversion, and your clips will be over here to the conversion list, and you go down here and hit convert all, and then it will process and stitch together all those pictures you took. And it is done. I'll show you this. This was only an hour or two, so it's a really short clip. I'll show it to you. It started before the sunset. And then you can edit it and everything while it's in this program. In your GoPro Studio, you can edit it. I have not done any editing yet. But anyways, while I'm still on this, I wanted to show you, while I was video recording this, the space station went over. You'll see it go in this direction here. Let me play this here so you can take a look at it. I thought that was kind of neat. You'll see it right about right there. See it? So I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, I hope this helped. I hope you got an idea of what your night settings should be for nightscapes, night lapses.